Question number 1. What does CPU stand for? A. Central Process Unit. B. Central Processing Unit. C. Computer Processing Unit. D. Control Processing Unit. Your right answer is B. Central Processing Unit. Question number 2. What is the brain of the computer? A. Monitor. B. Keyboard. C. CPU. D. Mouse. Your right answer is C. CPU. Question number 3. Which device is used to input text into a computer? A. Monitor. B. Printer. C. Keyboard. D. Speaker. Your right answer is C. Keyboard. Question number 4. Which of the following is an output device? A. Mouse. B. Keyboard. C. Monitor. D. Scanner. Your right answer is C. Monitor. Question number 5. What does RAM stand for? A. Read access memory. B. Random access memory. C. Run access memory. D. Rapid access memory. Comment your right answer. Question number 6. Which storage device has the largest capacity? A. CD. B. DVD. C. Hard disk. D. Floppy disk. Your right answer is C. Hard disk. Question number 7. Which part of the computer displays information? A. CPU. B. Monitor. C. Mouse. D. Printer. Your right answer is B. Monitor. Question number 8. What is the full form of USB? A. Universal Serial Bus. B. United System Bus. C. Universal System Backup. D. United Serial Backup. Your right answer is A. Universal Serial Bus. Question number 9. Which of the following is an input device? A. Printer. B. Monitor. C. Mouse. D. Speaker. Your right answer is C. Mouse. Question number 10. What does www stand for? A. World Wide Web. B. World Web Wide. C. Web World Wide. D. Wide World Web. Your right answer is A. World Wide Web. Question number 11. Which is an example of an operating system? A. Microsoft Word. B. Windows. C. Google Chrome. D. Excel. Your right answer is B. Windows. Question number 12. Which device is used to print documents? A. Scanner. B. Printer. C. Monitor. D. Speaker. Your right answer is B. Printer. Question number 13. What is the full form of ROM? A. Read-only memory. B. Run-only memory. C. Random-only memory. D. Read-open memory. Your right answer is A. Read-only memory. Question number 14. Which software is used to browse the internet? A. MS Word. B. Excel. C. Web browser. D. Paint. Your right answer is C. Web browser. Question number 15. Which key is used to delete text? A. Enter. B. Shift. C. Delete. D. Tab. Your right answer is C. Delete. Question number 16. What is the full form of PDF? A. Portable document format. B. Personal document file. C. Print document format. D. Public data file. Your right answer is A. Portable document format. Question number 17. Which company developed Windows? A. Apple. B. Google. C. Microsoft. D. IBM. Comment your right answer. Question number 18. Which device is used to scan documents? A. Printer. B. Scanner. C. Monitor. D. Keyboard. Your right answer is B. Scanner. Question number 19. What is the shortcut key for copy? A. Ctrl plus X. B. Ctrl plus V. C. Ctrl plus C. D. Ctrl plus Z. Your right answer is C. Ctrl plus C. Question number 20. Which of the following is not a storage device? A. Hard disk. B. Pen drive. C. RAM. D. Keyboard. Your right answer is D. Keyboard.